Headed down to the... You still in there?
Yeah.
Headed down to the ocean. And I'm gonna get in myself. I don't know about anybody else. I'm gonna get in. People say, oh yeah, right, you gonna get in. You gonna get in. It's like, I get in every time I go to the ocean, I get in. I ain't never gone to the ocean without getting in. That's what I do. I go to the ocean, I get in. I can't help it. I see it. I see the waves. They're so active. They're so moving around. They're like, hey, come on. They wave me in. The waves wave me in. Waving. Come on, Jared. Come on.
Umbrella though.
Your what?
My umbrella.
Sing it.
You should put.
Sing it.
You should put some sunblock on.
It ain't sunny. Now, what did you need to bring? Your what?
Umbrella, Ella, I forgot my umbrella. Ella,
Quit looking at yourself.
I'm not. I'm looking in the lens. Shut up.
Anyway, you're looking at the lens. Lens ain't even here.
Shut up.
Lens is out playing golf. I'll grab and say Lynn's and Lyle's. Like,
We're not taking pictures of the pretty things, like the flowers and
we're the pretty things out here, huh? Alright, we're God's greatest creatures. And I'm gonna talk like a Cajun this whole time. That's a weird spot, high voltage. Like, really?
people.
Oh.
Wouldn't that be so nice
I don't like people.
to live there?
They blew it.
Huh?
They blew it.
Who's they?
The people.
Why?
Oh, see, when I film that way, I can't see anything
Oh.
because I got this thing turned around. All right. This is the trail. Look at how I'm holding the camera. Oh wow, look at that place. That's a weird.
That's the one I was looking at, isn't it?
Oh yeah, there are people in there. Stray buffoons. Alright. So, going down the trail, headed to the ocean. And 3 minutes. 3-minute video, that's long enough. Just to start a freshie. I'm gonna start a freshie, hold up.